Are you facing issues with playing your favorite games on an LG monitor and can't seem to get that immersive full screen experience? You're not alone. In this guide on how to fix full screen problem on games in LG monitor, we'll delve into some straightforward solutions to get your games running perfectly full screen, offering you the optimal gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. First and foremost, check the in-game display setting. Many games have specific options for screen resolution, aspect ratio, and display mode. Set to full screen mode. Navigate to the graphics or video settings menu within your game. Look for the display mode and set it to full screen rather than windowed or borderless. This change often resolves full screen issues. Adjust resolution. Ensure the game's resolution is set to match your monitor's native resolution. For most modern LG monitors, this is typically 1920 by 1080 or 2560 by 1440. Setting the correct resolution helps eliminate display issues and enhances your gaming visuals. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can be a significant cause of display problems, including the inability to play games in full screen mode. Identify your graphics card. Before you update, identify your graphics card. You can do this through the device manager on Windows or the System Information Utility on Mac OS. Download latest drivers. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers that are compatible with your operating system. Reboot your system after installation for the changes to take effect. Step 3. Tweak LG monitor settings. Sometimes the issue stems from the monitor settings themselves. Let's tweak some basic settings to ensure full screen gameplay. Access monitor menu. Use the physical buttons on your LG monitor to access the menu. Navigate to the picture or display settings section. Enable aspect ratio setting. Ensure that the aspect ratio setting is set to original or auto. This setting allows the content to be displayed correctly according to its native resolution and aspect ratio, preventing black bars along the edges. Step 4. Update system and game software. It's crucial to keep your operating system and games updated to the latest version. Check for system update. Access your system's update tool, Windows Update for PC or Software Update on Mac OS. Install any available updates, which often include fixes for compatibility issues. Update the game. Using a gaming platform like Steam, Epic Games, or others, check for game-specific updates or patches that might address display issues. Fixing the full screen problem on LG monitors when gaming doesn't have to be a complex. By adjusting in-game settings, ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date, tweaking your monitor settings, and keeping your system and games current, you can resolve these common issues and enjoy your games in all their full screen glory. Remember, patience is key. Sometimes the solution involves trying multiple approaches until you achieve that perfect gaming setup. Happy gaming!